Hey traders, it's Joe, and I'm going to do a quick midday analysis because I had a traffic court, so I'm going to have to leave a little earlier than I'd like to, but that's just the reality of the situation right now. So I just wanted to go over what we said in the pre-market analysis, which was basically we wanted to see who's in the market, who's winning, and who's motivated to pick the ball up. And I noted that we had a lot of gap downs, and bears would get in a situation where they had complete total control, not control, but they had a setup where they could, it was a perfect setup for them, and they just dropped the ball. And we had to watch out for that. And then in the morning, I saw that we tested velocity and price came down, and it looked like they were kind of winning, and then they just really didn't. And the bulls just kind of took control from there. We had two velocity tests, and the bears just got out of the way. So I was able to quickly determine that the bulls were going to be the winners in this one. And that's pretty much been the case. But we see that tension really is kind of flat. So if the market stays like this, the tension is going to close still further away from zero. It'll be an actual bearish trending mindset. So the market rarely gives us a whole lot of clarity, but I think right now I would say we're going to close bearish trending, but right now the bulls are in the market. But if you look at the structure, the bears still have good structure. Tension is still below zero. You look at price as a whole, it's still decently off the highs. You have to notice that. So I know it's a little bit muddy right now, and I would just be looking to see if we get another velocity test or another decay test. And if we don't, then the next thing we got to do is just see how tension closes and how price closes. So if we see tension go up towards the end of the day and price go up at the end of the day, we could probably lean bullish. But if we see kind of like a rainbow type here and tension finally starts ticking down, I'm going to lean bearish because that means the bears finally came in, bulls kind of gave up. So you just got to keep your head on a swivel here. So, and I know I kind of sound redundant, but the reality is the market's been very unclear how it wants to trade. And both sides have been very tentative about taking control. And of course, we have news bombs every other day. So I know the market's been really tough, and I know we've gotten in some really good trades, and got to be thankful for that. But you just really have to think about what is going on. And right now, what's going on is we see some bears failing, but we also see tension just flat. It's very flat. So the bears still have structure, even though price has filled into some of that gap there. So, all right, I will see you guys in the room, and I will see you guys at the end of the day, maybe. If not, I'll see you tomorrow for the pre-market read. So just keep your head on a swivel. Try and really see what's going on, and try and get more clarity in the market, even though there's not a ton.